these steps. All right, I think this is it. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Oh my god, I could never be an I was about to say actress. Welcome to MTV Cribs. Alright, so first we have the living area. Okay, this is not a full empty apartment tour because, okay, let me just say, I was supposed to get this up a while ago, but you know, we had some complications, but you know, they're all over with. I never take an L. Shade. Anyways, this is the living room area. The front, fuck, I can't fucking talk. Okay, so when you walk in the front door, there's like this wood vinyl right here, which I really love this flooring. And then the living room has carpet, which I like. So yeah, and then also it has really high ceilings, which I also like. It's kind of echoey in here, but I like how the ceilings are so high. And then there's 3 windows up there. There's actually a lot of light that comes in to the apartment during the day, so I really like that. There's like this big window. I don't know if you should show them because we don't want to give away like where I live. But yeah, there's this huge window in the living room. And then this is the kitchen. So basically all the rooms have carpet. So my room has carpet, this room has carpet, and then everything else is just wood vinyl floors. So this is the kitchen. So what I'm thinking about for here is it has like a bar. So I'm gonna get, these aren't the stools I'm gonna get for this, by the way. But I'm gonna get really cute stools to put along here. And then right now, this is where my filming area is at. But I will be moving this, and I will be putting a dining room table right here. So yeah, this is just the dining room area. And then, honestly, I love the kitchen. Show them the kitchen, show them the kitchen. So the kitchen has a lot of storage. The microwave is touchscreen. So watch. And then, you know, you have your little, put how much time you want and stuff. But yeah, this is really cool. It's like touchscreen. But yeah, there's so much storage. The only thing I kind of wish is that the fridge was bigger, but whatever, you know? And then over here we have the washer and dryer. It's just like a stackable washer and dryer. That's the throw up rag. My cat threw up and there's just the throw up rag right there. But yeah, and then we have more storage right here. So like food. And then I have like all my paper towels and stuff. But yeah, and also this is nice to have one of these like in the sink that it pulls out. I really like the countertops too. Also, this apartment has a lot of outlets, which me and Haley noticed, which is also cool. Even the living room one has like a USB plug. I think it's cool how they put this in the living room. But yeah, oh, and then there's more storage over here. This apartment is really storagey. Storagey? Has a lot of storage. I don't know, I just made up my own word. But yeah, so there's like shelves right here, which I don't know what I'm gonna put here yet, but I will figure that out.
Could be a good place for your poetry books.
Oh yeah.
Cute little nook.
Yeah. And then we walk over to the left, and this is where my room is. So when you walk in, there's a closet, and then the bathroom, and then the room. I know a lot of people have already asked me where I got this painting from, and I got it from Amazon. So quick story, this was supposed to be really big so I could put it over my bed, and when I got it, it came like this, like story of my life, buying things from Amazon, I swear. But yeah, I still really like it. It's like this girl smoking, you know, with rolled up in $100 bill. It's really cute. I thought this was a cute touch. Should we show them the closet? Yeah, okay, let's show them the closet. So the closet is really spacious too. Obviously this is not how I'm gonna keep it. For now I just like threw everything in here because I'm still trying to unpack my things and get everything together. But yeah, so it has 2 shelves up here, and then you come in and it has 2 more shelves up here, so it's really roomy. And then they actually built in little shelves, which I'm not gonna keep my clothes here. I think I'm gonna put all my heels throughout here. I don't know, I still have to figure that out, but I think it would really be really cute to just put all of my heels up here. And then here's the bathroom. Oh, low-key, my bathroom was kind of messy. I was like doing my makeup. But
I'm waving at myself in the mirror.
Here's the bathroom. This I got from Target. Right now I have this like navy blue color in here, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna change that to the color I have in the other bathroom because I like that color better. And I didn't really want this color. I don't know how this happened. But yeah, then there's more storage right here. So just got our toilet paper. Oh yeah. I love this because this is all my skincare. So I don't have to buy Alex drawers to put all my skincare in. I can just put it right here in the bathroom. So that's really nice. And then here's my room. So basically I have a really cool idea for my room. I don't want to tell you guys yet because I want to wait till you guys get like a full apartment tour where I go through everything. But yeah, for now my bed is from Wayfair and this is from Amazon. It's like a silk black comforter. And then my mattress is really comfortable, you guys. It's really expensive, but honestly it's so fucking comfortable. It's from the brand, oh well, you can't see. Okay, well, let's just show them this. I have two. So it's from the brand Lowell. I know a lot of influencers work with them. I worked with them. They sent me these mattresses, but yeah, they're really, really comfortable. By the way, this is not sponsored. I'm just saying that. So yeah, I haven't really done much with my room yet. Like I said, I'm gonna give you guys like a full tour when I get done decorating everything, and I'm really excited. I'm really excited to do everything my style and the way I want to decorate it. So yeah, then we walk down the hallway, and this one's really cool. So this is gonna be my filming room. So it has like the two doors that you open like these. And basically it has the same layout. I honestly think this room is a little smaller. I don't know, it looks smaller to me. But this is gonna be my filming room. There's a lot of stuff in here right now because my best friend is here, as you know. She's on filming. And my mom came, so my mom's been sleeping in the bed and we've been sleeping in here. So yeah, it's been kind of a mess. But actually, I'll tell you guys my vision for this room. So right here, I was actually thinking that I could put a desk and put my laptop here, so when I'm done filming, like I can just go edit. Because I realized that when I go back to my room and I lay in my bed and try to edit, like I feel like that's not being productive. I feel like I get lazy when I just sit in my bed and edit. So I think I'm really gonna make this a station for just my editing. I might put some shelves. I could put some shelves and put my poetry books up there too. That would be cute. But yeah, and I haven't decided like what side I'm gonna film on yet, but I know that I want to get more shelves and buy those clear acrylic drawers that Desi Perkins has. If you guys watch her, you've seen them. Yeah, I want to get a lot of those so I can just put all my makeup in and I can see like what is what, you know. And then yeah, that's pretty much all for this room. It's literally the same layout. So I haven't really decided what I'm gonna do.
Let me help you out.
Yeah. I haven't really decided what I'm gonna do with this closet yet. I actually like the lighting more in this closet than my closet. It's more LED. I actually might change the lights to LED lights too. That's another thing. But yeah, it's basically just the same thing. I'm probably gonna use this for storage or extra clothes or whatever. And then here's the bathroom. Here's the other bathroom. I haven't got a curtain for it yet, but it's literally the same thing, except I'm gonna probably switch this color into my bathroom because I really like this color. By the way, I got this from Big Lots. You guys, Big Lots is the plug. Big Lots is the motherfucking plug. Dollar Store was the plug. So yeah, if you guys need, show them the rugs. If you guys need like nice bathroom rugs and stuff, Big Lots, plugged it. But yeah, and then we just have more storage. Probably just use this for skincare or whatever, like more skincare because I get a lot of skincare. But yeah, that is my apartment tour. How long's the video?
11 minutes.
11 minutes, that's cutting it close. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Comment down below so we can talk. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.